All right, welcome back, everybody. We are once again doing the Python Crash Course book. We are doing the Learn With Me series. We are in chapter 5. And we are now on example 3. So the first thing it wants us to do is make a file, new file, or oops, file. You know what we're gonna call it. All right, as per usual. Comment out the name and date. Today is the 21st. All right. So we're gonna call this colors test. So what it wants is a list of alien colors. So we're just gonna call it alien colors, and it wants us to fill this with green, red, and yellow. Okay, so that's gonna be our list, and then it wants us to write an if statement to test whether the alien's color is green. If it is, then print a message that the player just earned 5 points, and then write another version that passes the if test and another that fails. Okay, so all we're gonna do is give our if statement. If alien underscore colors equal to green, print player just earned 5 points. You have earned 5 points. Okay. So if we save this and we load up the file, did I not? What's going on? So I ran the file. One second. Okay, figured it out. It was not saying make a list of alien colors and make it green, red, or yellow. It said to make a variable called alien color and assign it one of the 3 colors. So we're just gonna assign it to green. And we're just gonna change this to match. So now when we save it and run the code, it will tell us you have earned 5 points. So we're gonna come down, make another version of this code where I'm gonna call it fail test, and then we're gonna say alien color and get the underscore is equal to red. Now when we come down and we say if alien color is green, print you have earned 5 points. Right? So this should have no output. So when we run this, or I'm going to change it just slightly to 10 points, just so that we know for sure that it's just running this and not this. So let's run this code again. Okay, I'm going to change this to alien color 1 because I think it's still reading this. if we save this and run it, oh, didn't realize I had 2 equals on that first line. Now if we run it, it only runs this first part. So this is a failed example, this is a passed example, and this is how you use a simple if statement. So I didn't really go over it in the beginning, but an if statement is just another way to test conditions. So we're gonna go over a little bit later in the next example how to extend this out. So this is just one test, and then you can add in, like how we did in the last example, else statements. So when you have else statements, it is then gonna run a second line if it fails. So if statements only gonna print an output if it is true. If it's false, like we saw here, it'll do nothing. So we have blank output there. That's because it failed. So if you found this video about if statements helpful, give this video a like, share it, and if you want, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.